Hey all, it's Matt here from Style Factory, the go-to site for business app reviews. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use the popular print-on-demand service Printful entirely for free. I'm also going to let you know how to access the free trial for Printful's membership scheme, which gives you significant discounts on Printful's standard product pricing. But before I do, a couple of things to note. First, in the video description, you'll find links to useful Printful trials, offers, and resources. Some of these are affiliate links, meaning that if you use them to sign up for a Printful account, we may receive a commission. Using these links comes at no extra cost to you, however, and is a great way to support our channel. And second, I'd just like to remind you that to get all the Style Factory tips and offers, make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click the notifications bell. This will give you easy access to all our print-on-demand and e-commerce tips going forward. With that out of the way, let's dive in. There are basically two ways to use Printful for free. You can either create a free regular account with the platform, or you can start a 14-day free trial of its Growth Membership Paid plan. Let's take a look at setting up a free regular account first. The regular Printful plan lets you use all the platform's main features for free. This includes access to the full product catalogue of 340 plus products and Printful's product designer tool. It also lets you sell your Printful products with over 20 e-commerce platforms, including Wix, Shopify, and Squarespace. So, if you're just dipping your toes into the world of print-on-demand, the regular Printful plan is a great place to start. You'll find a link to the free Printful plan in the video description, as well as some useful resources on how to integrate an online store builder with your Printful account. Now, while a regular Printful account has a lot going for it, it does come with a downside. Every time you sell a product with it, you will have to pay Printful the full list price for it. But if you want to pay less for the products you sell, you can sign up to Printful's Growth Memberships plan. This gives you up to 20% off many clothing products, and up to 30% off items in other categories. These include tech accessories, homewares, and wall art. The Growth plan also lets you apply your own brand to your products more cheaply than with a regular Printful plan. In terms of pricing, Printful's Growth Membership plan costs $24.99 per month, but is also available for free if you sell over $12,000 worth of products. Helpfully, there is a 14-day free trial available of the Growth plan. Using this is the best way to work out if a Printful membership is right for you. I've put a link to this in the video description. And that's it. 2 ways you can use Printful for free. To get more offers and tips from Style Factory, do like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notifications bell. And finally, if you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section. We read them all and will do our best to help.